Hey guys, Campsteg here. I just had another video to show on Vmware Thinapp. It's a nice piece of software that packages, applications and makes them virtualized from a central location. Today I've made a few virtual apps. One big one is Microsoft Office. Right here is one of my virtual computers running on my Citrix Zen server. Right here, this is also a video about group policy. That's mainly what this is about. Right here are some icons that were automatically generated for Microsoft Office. They're PowerPoint, Word, Outlook, Excel, and Publisher. So right now I'm going to delete these. Okay, deleted. Now I'm going to go over here to my Windows 2003 server and going to go to my Active Directory, users and computers. Going to go to taskcomputers.local, click Properties, go to Group Policy, and see I made one here called Word 2007 Icons. Now you can create a new one and then edit it, and then what you do is you go down to here to Windows Settings, Scripts for Log On and Log Off. Now you can see all these scripts that run. Word.wsf, Publisher, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Excel.wsf. Now, you have to create these files. They're, I don't know what the WSF, Windows script file, okay? You create these files, they're in an XML format, and right here's the code for mine. Now, right here's the folder where these shortcuts are held. They're held on this server, and what it does is it accesses this folder, and then it publishes these shortcuts onto whatever desktop is loading. So any desktop in my network will automatically add these icons if they do not have them on their desktop. If they're already on the desktop, it will not add more and more and more until, forever. So this automatically gets the image of the shortcut, and then it adds the shortcut to your desktop, and then when you click it, it opens this file right here, which this shortcut then goes to the Thinapp. So adds those nice icons there. And this is with group policy, log on. And then you could also go to here to computer configuration and do a startup script, which the icons will already be there, but I think it's cooler when you do it this way because they see them pop up. So you can see there's no icons. I'm going to go down here to my virtual machine, click log off. It's going to log off here, go back to my main computer. Okay, here's my Citrix web interface. I'm going to click back to the computer I was using, Windows 7 test. It's going to load up. It's going to log back into the network because you just logged off. You're logging back on. And you'll see they just popped up. Now I'll show you with a different computer. Log off. Wait just a second. We're using Windows 7 test, so what we're going to use next is Windows 7 64-bit test. Now I have not tried this computer yet, so let's see if it works. Give it a second. Well, doesn't seem to have worked. Let's make sure I'm connected to the network. Let's see here. Yeah, I am Windows 7.local. Or I'm sorry, taskcomputers.local. Well, that's a little bit strange. Let's try logging off and logging back on once, see what happens, because it may have stayed logged in and never logged out. So let's go ahead, log out, log back in, see what happens. And there they go. It just never logged out. There you go. There's all the icons. Now I'll launch Microsoft Word here. See a little icon down there. powered by VMware, launching WinWord.exe. Now I have a Office Word 2007 Corporate Edition, so there is no activation, so I can use the software over and over and over. There it goes. Nice. I mean, this is completely remote, and it's running great. No lag at all. So I can just, type up a little document. Hi world. See? Hi world, how are you? Now, we're going to save this. Now, there's a tricky thing about this. When you save it, you pretty much have to save it to your documents folder, which that's where anybody normally would. Unless you wanted to save it to like a USB disk. But on the local computer, you can't save it anywhere other than Documents folder unless you are indicated by your administrator to save it anywhere else. So I'm going to click Save. I'm going to exit out of Word. Go down here, Documents. It's going to open up. Now, it created this file, but it's an XML document. So, instead of double-clicking that, you actually have to go to Word, click your icon, opens up the thing, then it'll open up Word, and you have to open that document from Microsoft Word. It's a bit strange and kind of stupid. I wish it wasn't like that. But, don't really have a choice. So, yeah. All I did is click Control-O, and it will open up a nice little screen here. Open. Then you double click your file and it opens it up. So that was just a little demonstration. Now, that was a virtual computer. This is my physical laptop, okay? Now, I have the icons here. I'm going to delete them. Delete it. Move those over there. Now see, here are the scripts. I made them on my laptop, so they're saved here. So if I just click one of these, like this word right here, I'll click Edit so you know for sure it's there's the XML code. If I click Word, double click it, here comes my icon. So, if let me close everything out here. Close my Zen Center. Okay. Now, if I log off, give it a second. Before it's log off. Okay, logging off. Okay, there's my Control-Delete screen, and my password. Welcome. Loading. Sorry for my shaking. And we'll look, and our icons are popping up. There they are. No, I don't want that. So yeah. That's how group policy works. It's nice with those logon scripts right over here in this. So it's a great way to administrate things, like possible Windows updates and things like that. Just program updates and that stuff. So it's a great way to do things. Thanks for watching.